Good morning. It is 11, almost 11:30, and I decided to wake up early today because I'm having a productive day. So I should wake up early because if I woke up late, then I wouldn't have time to be productive. And normally I wake up at 2, so this is pretty early for me. So anyways, my plans for today is I'm just gonna wash up and then I'm gonna have lunch with my sister, and then we're both gonna go to Starbucks to study. She has to learn some multiplications because she's going into 6th grade and she doesn't know her times tables. And I had a lot of work to do, so yeah. And in the evening I'm gonna go to the gym, and that's pretty much it for my productive day. Yeah, I'm gonna go wash up now and then come back. I'll get changed, come back and do my makeup, and then I'm going to be off. So I actually took a shower and I washed my hair because my hair was looking really flat and I just wanted to dry it all over again. So I don't do much in the morning, not like my night routine. I just put some moisturizer. But yeah, I'm just gonna do my makeup. I have like 15 minutes. It should take me like not that long, 10 minutes max, and I need to dry my hair as well. And then I just put this tinted eyebrow gel. Then I'm just gonna put a little bit of this CC cream. This is a bit darker than my skin because I stayed in too much and I got very pale. So I'm just gonna use concealer and cover my blemishes. I can't be bothered to put mascara, so I'm just gonna curl my lashes and just smooth it. So that's pretty much it. My hair is still pretty ugly, but that's good enough. So I want to show you my basic ass outfit. I'm just wearing this crop, like spaghetti strap, and this whatever you call this, jacket or something. I don't know my clothing, and some shorts and some old, very dirty Vans. Just ignore the dirt stains. Yeah, that's what I'm wearing today. I don't really care about what I wear, so I just put on this because this is comfortable and I need to be comfortable when I study. So yeah, I'm gonna go to eat now. So we're at the restaurant now and we came to Go-Go Seoul because my sister wanted Korean food. And I forgot to show that I'm wearing these earrings. They're really cute. I forgot to show my outfit of the day, but yeah, so I'm gonna show you my food when it comes. So this is what Lisa ordered. What is it?
Tteokbokki with fish cakes.
And other stuff. So my food came and it's a salad with chicken, and this is something I was supposed to pour on top of, so I'm gonna eat it now. I don't know how I'm supposed to do that. Okay, I'm gonna eat it now. So we're at Starbucks now, and I ordered my triple shot Americano that I always get, and she didn't get anything today. I don't know what she's doing. So Alita, what are you doing?
My workbook.
What workbook?
Brain quiz. I'm doing research.
Research. She has an activity in her workbook where it makes her do research and citations, right? And I'm working on my director's notebook that I have to remake all over again because I accidentally deleted the file, which is very sad. But thank God I wrote everything on a Google Doc. So I just need to copy and paste it and put it back in, but I still have to remake all the format and stuff, which is taking me a long time. I don't know why I deleted it. I'm so freaking dumb. Well, Rita said she was studying, but she ended up watching NCT Ruining High School Musical. Rita!
It's a bright time.
So it's already 4 o'clock and my work took longer than I thought. So I thought I was going to finish my director's notebook today and work on my citations for my extended essay, but I didn't even finish my director's notebook. I still have a page left, but I think I'm just going to do it on Wednesday. And I still have a few changes to make. So yeah, I have a week before school starts. So I have some time to do my work. So I'm just gonna go home now, get something to eat, get changed for the gym, and then go to the gym later. How much work did you do?
My workbook.
And watch videos?
Yes.
She barely did any work, so yeah, we're just gonna go home now.
Yes.
I don't really know how to vlog holding my camera up. I just switched back to my camera because I didn't bring it out with me because it's big and heavy and hard to hold, but I just got back home. It's like 4 o'clock and I have to come back home to change and I have to drop my little sister off anyways because she's not going to the gym. I have like about half an hour before I leave, so I thought I would show you what I'm wearing today to the gym. So this is just a sports bra from Gymshark. I don't know what it's called. And I got these leggings from Lululemon and they're really comfortable and they're kind of matching colors, slightly different shade, but it looks about the same, so it's not that bad. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing to the gym today, and I'm wearing some NMTs. So before I go to the gym, I have to eat something for energy because if I don't eat something, then I won't have energy and I'll be dead the whole time. So I have some mango today. So it's 8 o'clock. And my sister keeps looking at the camera, I don't know why. I got back from the gym at 7:30. So I spent like 2 hours and a half there, but today was like a low intensity day. Well, not low intensity, but like easier than what I normally do. It wasn't a leg day, it was a full body day. So I'm thankful I didn't have to do hip thrusts and glute bridges because that's the one that I do with the most weights. Everything else I do like under 50 kg, but with the hip thrusts and the glute bridges I do like at least 120 kg, and I tried 180 kg on Friday, but I didn't do that today. I did upper body and I did abs and I did like squats. Oh, I'm so used to doing squats with like heavy weights that today I did it with the small one. And it was so easy. Normally I go to the gym on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. And 3 out of those 4 days I do leg day, and leg day hurts so bad. It's leg and glutes, and I do abs. It depends, but I do it most of the days. Ideally I would do it all, but I think I do it like 3 out of 4 days a week. And I do upper body for one of those 4 days. Okay, so anyways, I forgot to say that when I came home I had dinner and I ate steak. It was like lamb chops, lamb steak or something like that. I don't know what it's called. And I had this salad, not really salad because it was just lettuce and pesto sauce. I come home very late when I have gym, right? Yeah, I come home at like 7:30. I spend like at least 2.5 hours there because most of the time I'm just complaining to my trainer. So I'm gonna go shower and do my night routine as you saw in my last video. I'm not gonna film it again because I'm kind of lazy too. And yeah, I'll just see you after I finish getting ready. So it's like an hour later and I finished getting ready and everything. The same thing that I did in my night routine video. My sister's still here. I don't know why. But anyways, it's time for me to study Korean. I was actually supposed to study at the cafe at Starbucks today, but I didn't finish my work on time. So I didn't have time to study it. So I'm studying now. So in my last video, I was using Coursera, but I actually changed to work on a textbook from a textbook instead because Coursera was too slow for me and it was taking forever for me to learn. So, and since then I finished a whole textbook, so I'm on the second textbook. I'm actually starting like actually doing the lessons today. So this is the textbook that I'm using. I'm on the second book now, so the beginner 2 instead of beginner 1. It's the integrated Korean, and I just download it and put it on my iPad, and then I just work through it. And I don't know what she's doing here. each lesson starts with like what you're gonna learn in that chapter, and then it starts with like a conversation, like text, and then you read it. I can understand most of it. Like in the last book, I can understand everything in it. So I haven't tried reading the second book yet, but it shouldn't be too hard. So I finished my Korean lesson and it took like over an hour. It's like 10:30 now. So that's about it for the day. You already saw my night routine, so I'm just gonna be chilling for the rest of the night and doing whatever I want. I'm gonna try to go to sleep earlier today because school is starting soon and I need to get in the habit of going to sleep early. Yeah, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching anyways. It was probably boring, just like the last video. Yeah, hopefully I'll be able to make another video soon, maybe in a month. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Anyways, yeah. Bye.
My baby don't like it when you come around.